guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Every Monday I do a plan with me video, and I have a big happy planner. I do most of my planning in that, at least for my videos, and then I also have a Carpe Diem, I think it's a B6 size planner, and sometimes I do my plan with me's in that as well. But for today, since it is the first full week of February, I would like to start bringing in some really fun February Valentine kind of colors and themes. So today I have this new paper pad that I picked up at Michael's in the Hot Buy, and it is called Ooh La La, and it just has some fun hearts and a French kind of Paris theme. And I'll just flip through here real quick. Has some really fun journaling cards, some beautiful floral patterns. There's some green hearts. That looks really cute. Way too big for the book, but really cute little Paris theme paper. Lips and high heels. This is a great page. I love the gold foiling, but just some beautiful images there to cut apart. This is probably my favorite of the patterns. Some really pretty lip paper. Then some coordinating patterns. This is really pretty. So I'm going to choose some of these and get started in my planner. And then I have my happy memory keeping little set with the dates and everything, so I'm going to use that. So we will get things cleared off and get started. Alright guys, so here's my final layout. I really love how this turned out. This paper pad is just so gorgeous, and I love the floral and the images. The Paris images are so pretty. I was able to find some washi in my stash, this mint with the polka dot down here, and then this triangular pattern that has gold foiling on it. I think both of them were from Michael's. And I went ahead, I added some of the cutouts here. So I love how this turned out. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe. Come back next Monday for another Plan With Me video. And then on Wednesday, come back for a Bible journaling video. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, come back for other random crafty videos. Tomorrow, I do have a crafty thrift store haul for you. So hopefully you'll come back for that. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.